from Wilshire Fireplace Shops. I'm going to go through the basics on how to relight a pilot. First thing you want to do is check the batteries to make sure that they're not dead. If they're dead, obviously the unit's not going to work. To replace the batteries, very simple. You're going to get the receiver box. Usually in the back is a little arrow showing you how to take the box apart. You take the box apart and just get 4 AA batteries and just put them right back in. Very simple. And just put the lid back in there. Next step, you're going to change the battery in your remote control. Some of them have small little clock batteries. Others are going to be a 9-volt or could be a AA. Once you have that taken in, you may have to relearn the receiver unit. Very simple. Just get yourself a paper clip or a pen. You can have a unit called the Learn button. Press it, you'll hear it beep. Then get your remote control, press any button, preferably the off button. And now the unit has learned itself to work off of this remote control if you have multiple remote controls in the house. The next step is to make sure to relight the pilot. It's a very simple procedure. You're going to look for this unit. Some of them are a little bit changed, a little different. Make sure that this position is in the off position. Normally when your pilot goes off, it's going to be in the on position. Take your remote control and hold it until the unit shuts itself off. And you'll hear it click, and it also says off on there. Now you're in the off position. The next step, sometimes when you're relighting your pilot, it's going to be left in the on position when the pilot blows out. Simply turn it to the off position. Make sure the gas supply at your valve is in the on position to feed gas to the mechanism. Steps to light the pilot are very simple. Underneath your grate, you're going to see your thermal pile with your pilot. Get a lighter, hold it, but what you need to do is take the unit to the ignite, push it in the pilot. Hold it there for a few seconds to let the gas go through. Be patient, maybe a little air buildup. Once the unit has gas flowing out, you're going to have your lighter held right here. It will ignite. Once that's ignited, hold it in for approximately 30 seconds. Once you've had that done, release the button to pilot. It will stay on. If it turns off, start all over. Once it's ignited, turn it to the on position. Your pilot will stay on. Once it's in the on position, simply take your remote control, hold the on button, and your pilot and your burner should turn on. Once that's done, put your unit cover back on. If you have a decorative piece, rock, pine cone, what have you, that will go back in the front. Take the plastic lid cover if you have one, and just simply put it back on the receiver unit and place it away from the fire so it doesn't overheat. If this is too close to the fire, say you put it right here. Unit gets too hot after a couple hours, it will overheat. It will shut the unit off. You'll also notice that it will continuously beep, letting you know that it's too hot. If that happens, simply take it away. You have a couple of feet of wire to run it onto the hearth. If you have room between the fireplace box and the pilot, stick it right there and hide it, and you won't see it. Troubleshooting is very simple. Unit turns off. Somebody may have turned off the gas at the wall. Turn it back on, relight the pilot, and the steps that we went through. First thing, always, is just check your batteries. Batteries should be changed when time change. In April, in whenever, you just change the batteries like you do in your smoke detectors. Other than that, that's basically all you need to do. Thank you very much, and check us out on the web, www.wilshirefireplaceshops.com. Thank you very much. Happy burning.